Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what I think is the best Sunsama workflow, how to plan your day step by step, how to time block properly, how to review, and what this workflow actually will suit. Before adding anything, the key idea with Sunsama is intention. You start with your daily planning. Before adding anything, the key idea with Sunsama is intention. So you do not start with a massive to-do list. We'll open up my emails, drag one or two tasks in. That seems about right. Step one is reviewing tasks coming in from other tools. At this stage, you are not committing. You're purely scanning what needs to be done. The rule here is simple. If it's not realistic for today, then it doesn't go in. Once you've filtered, you start pulling in only the tasks that matter for today. Great, my day looks good. This step alone removes overwhelm because Sunsama forces you to make decisions instead of reacting all day. This is where Sunsama's workflow really stands out. I'll go to today. Every task gets a timeline. This does two things. It forces you to think about effort. It prevents silent overcommitment. And as I add tasks, Sunsama builds a live picture of how my day will actually look like. If I go past a reasonable amount of hours, Sunsama will flag it. That friction is intentional. It's designed to slow you down before your day becomes unrealistic. This workflow works best when you're honest about time, especially meetings, admin, and deep work. Once everything is added, you don't start working immediately. You review your day as a whole. You're checking, does this fit into my energy levels? Is there enough space between tasks? Am I stacking too much cognitive work back to back? This final review step is what turns Sunsama from a task tool into a planning system. And if my tasks and my day looks too full, I can simply move a task from today to tomorrow. This is when the day looks heavy. And this is where you remove or reschedule before stress starts to show up. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemTask, the workflow is different. We don't rebuild the plan every single day. Tasks live in a clear structure with ownership and execution comes first. You spend less time planning and more time doing, especially if your work is repetitive, operational, or team-based. This contrast matters because Sunsama isn't trying to replace that style. It's designed for people who want daily intention and reflection. The Sunsama workflow works best if you like planning your day every morning, you think in time blocks, your work changes day to day, or you want strong boundaries around your time. But it's less ideal if you want a fixed structure, prefer minimal daily setup, or manage lots of repeatable tasks. Sunsama is excellent for intentional daily planning and time awareness. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.